Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about loops in C++ programming. Loops has the repetitive control structure and used for repeated execution of code. And the types of loops are, first you have the for loop, while loop and do while loop. And all of those different loops are used to repeatedly execute certain portion of the code. So first we are going to talk about the for loop. The for loop is used to iterate portion of the code specific number of times. And the syntax of for loop is, so first we have the for keyword, and inside the parenthesis we have the initialization statement, and then one semicolon, and then we have the condition statement, and after the semicolon we have the increment or decrement statement. And then the code we write inside the curly braces will be repeatedly executed so many times. So in this example program we are going to use the for loop to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So inside the main method we are going to create one for loop. So first we have the for keyword, and inside the parenthesis first we have the initialization statement. So I'm going to create one control variable I, and I'm going to initialize it with the value 1. And then we have the condition statement. So the condition will be I less than equal 10. So the loop will continue unless and until the value of I is less than or equal to 10. And then we have the increment or decrement statement. So I'm going to write I++, because in every iteration the value of I will be incremented by 1. And then inside the curly braces we're going to use the cout, and I'm going to print the value of I along with one space. So now I'm going to save this program, and I'm going to compile and run the program. And you can see the output, we have the numbers printed from 1 to 10. So this is the way we can use the for loop to repeatedly execute a portion of the code several times. So hope you understand about the concept of for loop in C++. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.